Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Eva in Florida. So, today hindi tayo mga plant ang ating video kasi nandito kami sa homestead, Miami. Si Shannon pala andun, nag-check-in. So, naghanap lang kami ng matutulugan ngayon gabi kasi bukas siguro mga tatlong oras pa magbibiyahe kami. Try namin pumunta sa hindi pa namin sure kung pupunta kami ng Key West, pero ngayon, so dito naghanap lang muna kami matutulugan. So, ang kasama lang namin ay si Sophie, Sophie's not here. Si Clennon tsaka si Ainsley lang. So, kaming apat lang friends. Yung parang biglaan lang to ba? Biglaan. Wala sa plano. So, tingnan natin yung aming tulugan. Mura lang to friends. Nasa 100 plus lang. Tingnan natin kung okay naman. So, where are you gonna park, Han?
That gotta be on the other side over there. This guy's taking it easy, ain't he?
So, friends, ito yung aming tutulugan tonight. Yan yung ating bathroom. Meron din siyang tub. And then, nandito na sila. We have two queen beds. Is that queen or king? King. Yeah, it looks like king. It's like ours. So that's it, just like that. Yeah. Mirror.
On the wall.
For Cleanan and stuff. I see. I think let's take that one over there, honey.
No, we want this.
Don't be close to the truck.
No. Give him a look. It's your
It's fine. There's a chair here.
That window work, we can just climb right out the window and get to the truck.
Really. So, yeah, dito kami. Papalipas ng gabi sa ating wala sa plano na trip. So, ayan friends. Alis na tayo. Ano na po siya? 7:21. Yan, ano na rin tayo. Nag-breakfast. Kasi syempre, pag libre ang breakfast, hindi natin yan palampasin sa mga hotel. Kasi kasama yan ng ating mga binabayaran. I think we did sleep good last night. I have like 5 hours. About, I don't know what time Glennon sleep though. But I sleep for sure, it's like 1 hour, 1 hour and a half
Oh,
only.
Ainsley slept.
Yeah,
What?
it's very late.
What?
You sleep late, as in the
I
morning.
did because he was snoring. I couldn't sleep.
Mm.
He was. I can't sleep.
No, that's your normal sleep. 4 o'clock. So, friends, ayan, this is gonna be Clennon's first time in Key West. Me, Shannon, and Ainsley, this is gonna be our second. No, your third, right? His third, our second. Clennon, say hi to my vlog. Oh, di ba? Ang saya lang. Masyado siyang masaya. Si Ainsley naman, kung selfie ng selfie. Ainsley, are you excited?
Yeah.
For? Really? About you, Han?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Look, there's another like old bridge. Look,
The old
friends.
train wreck.
Is that a train bridge? No, I think that's the old one.
Oh, I bet that was an old train.
Ah, okay. So, friends, we just arrived in Key West. So, yeah. So, we don't know what to do yet. We're planning to go parasailing, but Shannon's kind of scared because he said he's overweight.
No, we can't go together.
We can't get together.
We can't go together.
Yeah.
Just wait,
I can go with Ainsley.
You can
no,
go.
I'm gonna go with
plan
like.
it.
You and your dad can go, so the weight is gonna be not that much.
Oh, that's where we stayed, remember? Gloria.
Yeah. So, friend, that's where we stayed last time. The last time we came here, and then there's Publix here. Yeah, this is where. Yeah, this is where we stay. That was 2022, right? Yeah, we went. Oh, there's this ice cream place that Lina and Ainsley like.
Go back there. It's really
Did you know what's the name? Then how can we go back there?
No, I'll look it up. I looked it up because I was so embarrassed about it. I saw it.
So the weather looks like got better. But I don't see anybody parasailing though. So we're here, friends. We just parked. We need to pay for our parking. I don't know how much. Glennon and Ainsley is there. So here, you have to press the power, honey. So the parking is $7 per hour. I don't know. So, yan yung line, friends, para magpa-picture ka. Look at that house, friends. So, friends, hindi na kami naghintay ng napakataas na pila. Dito na lang kami nag-take ng picture kasi tingnan nyo naman yung pila. Ang haba. So, where are we going next? So, since we already got a picture, we are going to the butterfly something. Yan yung bus nila, friend, na half in, half on tour. Look at the houses. They're cute. Seems like, oh, you see, there's a chicken. It's like there's a lot of chicken everywhere. No one's touching the chicken, so you can see them everywhere. Oh, look! Hurry up, hurry up! Look, that's a lot.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Wow. Look, that's a lot of butterflies. Wow. It's like, in the movie, it's like in the garden of some whatever. Look, it's behind you guys.
Oh, you just found one.
Wow. Look, friends. Ah, there's one. Look, there's a lot over here. That's so nice. Look, behind us.
Look, dude.
Look at this, friends. This butterfly, it looks like a leaf. No, that one. You see? Ah, they're so cute. Look, it's not even moving. It's really like a leaf. What this one doing behind the other one? Ah, that's so nice. Oh, there's another one back there. So cute. Look like a dry leaves.
Yeah.
That's so nice. Oh, look, it's pretty. It's a lot of them. It's like feels like we are in the garden. Where? Oh, the black one.
Look at the front of it. It's orange.
Is it? The front of it is orange.
Okay, it's orange.
There's another one. Look, that looks like a leaf.
Oh yeah.
Nakakatuwa, ayan. Ay. It's like we're in the Garden of Eden. Garden of Eden. Do you think the Garden of Eden is really have a lot of butterfly?
Probably.
Wow, look at that. Look at the flamingo. I thought it's not real. They are real. So, friends, we are here waiting for our turn. Schedule namin is 12:30 for parasail. So, the kids is there, Ainsley and Clennon. So, we're all going. This is gonna be our first time parasailing. Look at the water. So nice. Yeah, it's really nice water. Are you excited? Are you excited?
Yeah.
About you? Nervous?
No. I
Huh? So friends, yan na yung aming boat para sa aming parasail. Ando na si Clennon. Ito si Ainsley. Parang kami lang yata na apat. Special!
both coming on this side.
You wanna go with me?
We go together.
It's not gonna be overweight. Are you nervous? Let me take a picture. Huh? Picture. So friend, it's kind of worth it because just right now I'm already enjoying just the boat ride. It's kind of bumpy, but I love it. So friends, is it worth it yung ano natin tour? Kasi para kaming ano ba, private tour. Kami lang naapat sa isang boat. Yan. Ang galing. Matagal-tagal din siya, friends. So, I guess it's really worth it. The experience. And I like it better than the air balloon and in the zip line when we went cruise. Ang ganda. How you feeling, honey? How is it, honey? Huh? Now, what earlier? No. So this is where we're staying tonight, friends, in Sonesta, close to the airport. Oh, it smells good. Okay. This is our room. Oh, bathroom.
Oh, that's nice.
See, hindi pa ako nakabihis mula no. Galing kami Key West kasi diretso na kami. This looks nice. We got 2 beds again. And then the problem is We booked the one beside the pool so the girls can enjoy it. But guess what? They are renovating the pool. See? There's the pool, but right now they cannot go.
I got some more of it because it was closer.
So, ayan friends, paglabas mo dito, nandyan yung pool. Pero yun lang. Under renovation. So, that's our neighbor. So, I guess that's it, friends, for our video on this trip. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Mag-iingat po kayo. God bless.